Near field communication, popularly known as NFC, is an auto data transfer without internet connection within the range of 4 centimeters. Most of the tap and go or contactless payment services or cards are NFC technology enabled. A very small amount of data signal is transmitted using radio frequency technology. Examples of NFC technology would be Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, Google Wallet, Android Beam, and credit cards with NFC symbol or Wi-Fi like symbol which is there on your credit card. Security is always discounted for convenience. NFC technology could auto transfer malware or any other forms of auto executing threats. If an attacker can hack your proximity, they can hack into your NFC device, as there is no security or authentication mechanism in place. Now let us look at RFID, popularly known as radio frequency identification. It is a very tiny device to track the object attached. The wireless electromagnetic signals transmitted through this device. RFID enabled in passports, credit cards, smart cards, airline passenger ticketing, serve as a fingerprint for various products, travel passes, drones, and even in some cases identity documents. The credit card is easily skimmed even if you are in a physical possession of your card. RFID can be easily hacked. The drones using RFID chips can also be hacked. Now let us understand two popular attacks. Side channel attacks. It's a type of attack where the secret key, that is a cryptographic key from RFID, is stolen by analyzing the power fluctuation or by analyzing the memory usage pattern. The next powerful attack is known as power glitch attacks, wherein an attacker can hack a random private key used to prevent the above attack. Let us look at some of the preventive measures. Use a signal blocker to cover your cards when you are carrying it. They use a strong cryptographic key with an enhanced security to make it more secure. Replace physical memory with a virtual storage.